Installing a chairlift in your home can change your life, offering you new levels of comfort and accessibility, and allowing you to do the thing people say they want most, which is to remain in their own homes. Marx Medical can make this transformation simple, whether you wish to purchase a stairlift or just rent one for short-term use. Our stairlifts are simple to use, with easy-to-control armrest buttons and remote controls that allow users to call and park the chair. And a stairlift doesn't make your staircase off-limits to the rest of your family. It folds up when not in use, allowing others to access the stairs. Do you have worries about the cost of a stairlift? Marx understands. This is why we offer financing and guidance regarding the reimbursement process. If you only need a temporary stairlift, either to accommodate visitors or to deal with a short-term ailment, Marx Medical offers monthly rentals. Our friendly, compassionate staff are available to answer your questions, so contact us to make your home a safer, more accessible place.